Hi everyone, welcome to the last video in my U-Part wig series. Today's I-Part wig is sponsored by ILikeHairWig.com, and this one is like many of the wigs you've seen floating around that have dual purpose. You can either clip them on or have very little leave out. I think we've all decided that we're not going to do the clipping anymore because it hurts. And we're just gonna stick with either leave out or doing an invisible closure, which is what I'll be doing today because this wig is perfect for that method. The cap was literally constructed for that. Maybe it was an accident, they didn't realize it, but it's ideal and I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and wash this hair and get started. I'm using more of my Guild and Pepper shampoo and conditioner from my New Orleans trip. I swiped everybody's shampoo on vacation and ended up with several bottles. These hotels throw away toiletries anyway, so technically I was being environmentally conscious. Here is the hair. It is a type 3 texture and has a good amount of volume. I'm going to get it nice and clean. Oh, and this is the box that it comes in. Inside the box, and this is very important for customers, there is a card that shows you how to enter to win $100. So if you are a customer and you happen to like your hair, you could be one of 5 monthly winners, or you could at least get $30 back for entering the giveaway. There is a comb and a toiletries bag. I can travel with this, and I can even use it as a stadium bag because it's see-through. There is an eyebrow brush, 2 extra clips, small tweezers. I can always use more tweezers because mine always go missing, and a shower cap. I guess it's a nice upgrade from regular plastic bags. Okay, back to washing the hair. I'm doing this in a downward motion so I can avoid tangles. While I do that, let me share hair details. The wig has no lace. It requires no glue. You can choose not to have a leave out if you are adventurous, but a thin or invisible leave out is ideal for the rest of us normal people. It also features a true roots closure to blend with hair roots and has a breathable cap. That's very important. It's time for conditioner, and I'm being generous because I will detangle with it. Also, these products are old and I need to finish them. I'm gonna make sure all relevant details are in the description. It's time to install the hair, and let's just take a look at the wig cap construction first. In the back, I have a nice tab here that's really comfortable. I love these. And I also have a comb. This is like the only comb that I like to use. And I also have some adjustable elastic straps. On the sides, I have combs to anchor the wig down, and in the parting area right there at the base of the part, I have a clip. 2 clips on each side, and I'm gonna flip the wig over. This is the eye part. For me, I feel like it could be thinner, more like super thin, like slit razor part like, but this is the eye part. I like 2 things about this part. The first being that it's thin enough for me to do the invisible method if I don't want to have any leave out, which is my preferred method. The second thing is there's a small tiny area here where they ventilated the hair a bit, and it kind of like curves, like it's there and it goes all the way, and you can't see any of that mesh fabric that they used, and it curves and it comes back, and it's ideal because when I latch the hair on, I use my latch hook, I'll put it in the part area, go out, grab some hair, pull it through, and it's gonna curve over, and it's gonna do exactly what it's doing right here. So I don't have to train the hair to lie down. It's already going to do this. That's how the hair is arranged on the wig. Perfect. Before I even start, I have my aromas. So excited. I'm going to go ahead and spray my scalp with this scalp spray by Aromas. You guys know I love scalp products, and this one is new, so I'll give you guys a review later on. My hair looks messy, but I'm okay with that. I'm washing it this weekend because I've kind of had it like this for a while. First I had the other wig, the V-part wig, and now I'm gonna wear this for a few days, and then over the weekend I'll go ahead and wash my hair. Open up the clips and comb them in. I'm not clipping anything, just combing the clips because I like having hair, and my hair is so fragile. It's a delicate flower and it must be treated that way. I made a mistake. Alright, so actually I'm going to separate the hair that is not wefted from the wefted hair. Go ahead and do that before putting the wig on. I have the hair here just like hanging, and I'm just gonna split it in two. Don't forget, no clipping, just combing. Alright, so to avoid confusion, I'm gonna clip this hair down. That way I won't be borrowing from here, but if I need to borrow from here, I can. It's fine. It's not a big deal. As long as most of this is in first, if I need anything extra, I can get it from here. Hook under, hook on, close, pull through. One side is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other side, and same thing, just kind of go, pull, flip over. Okay, that's it. I guess I could. This is just plain water, and I'm just going to finger twirl my hair, finger coil my hair. Alright, so this concludes my U-part wig series. I will take pictures, and honestly this wig is amazing because the length. First of all, I don't like wigs that are too long. You guys know this. But also because it's so easy to do this invisible closure. I really like this unit for the invisible part closure only. I would not clip it down in the middle. I bet you it will rip my hair out. Just like I said about the V-part wig, I don't venture into that territory, okay? No, it's madness. There are other brands that I love and that I've worked with for a long time, but this is definitely the best out there for this method. So that is all for this, guys. I definitely give this wig a 10 in the invisible closure department. So thank you, ilikehairwig.com, for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I look forward to catching up with you soon. Take care of yourselves, and bye.